Welcome back. Cipriano's death case is a still mystery. Cipriano's cousin Cosme Fernandez alleged that Home Minister has bluffed the people and Cipriano's family by assuring a SIT to investigate into Cipriano's case. He said that there is no progress in the case even after 5 months. It may be recalled that Cipriano was arrested on 7 January 2011 from Porvorim. Later, after 2 days, that is on the 9th January, the police informed the relatives of Cipriano that he was dead. It was alleged that Cipriano was badly beaten up in the police custody. He said that Home Minister had assured to form a SIT, but Cosme Fernandez claimed that no such investigation is in progress.
Home Minister and ऑपोजिशन लीडर मोहनवर पाडेकराक सांगल्या की आपण SIT फॉर्म करता म्हणून सिप्रियानाच्या केसीक लागून त्या दिसा हांव जाणा आसलो की होम मिनिस्टर गोंयच्या पब्लिकाक फटयता म्हणून आनी आजून ते SIT आजून फॉर्म जावंक ना आनी आजून जस्टीस मेळपाचो कांयच आमकां उपयोग ना.
The relatives of Cipriano are unhappy with the investigation by the officials. They feel that there is gross injustice done to them. They say that the body is still lying without receiving the final rites. They even say that the culprits are walking scot-free.
More than 5 months, nothing has been said or done by the case. And neither the Chief Minister nor the Home Minister is talking anything about this case. The policemen involved in killing my cousin are roaming scot-free.
A reporter in Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte. Nusi Wockhardt Hospital has launched an exclusive facility dedicated to aesthetic, medical and surgical treatment. Wockhardt Institute of Aesthetic is first of its kind in the country.
Wockhardt Institute of Aesthetic was launched by Nusi Wockhardt Hospital in Kunkori on Thursday. This institute focuses on clinical and patient care. Video conferencing facility with the medical experts and patients is an additional facility of this institute. Chairman of Wockhardt Group, Dr. Habil Khorakiwala, Junior Consultant of Partners Howard Medical International and Chief Program Advisor Dr. James May and others were present at the launching ceremony.
In aesthetic surgeries, when you ask a lot of people in medical profession, it's done very commonly. It is done sometime in small clinics, outsourced clinics. But I think what is important is that it has to be done very safely, because what one is trying to do basically is to bring about an improvement, and one should not get involved into a risk that sometimes what you expect and something else happens.
Dr. Khorakiwala feels that Goa is an ideal place for aesthetic surgeries.
Some of these aesthetic procedures require privacy and people to be out of circulation if there is some procedures which are undertaken. So Goa provides an ideal location of relaxation on one hand and carrying these procedures in the privacy of the place which naturally offers.
Junior Consultant of Partners Howard Medical International and Chief Program Advisor Dr. James May is in Goa for 8 days. He will guide the clinical and nursing team at Wockhardt.
We offer a lot of different techniques at the Institute, but each one of them must be refined to fit the individual patient's problem. This is why the consultation of the patient with the treating doctor is so important.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Heritage Jazz rocked Holland with their concert Cockney Rocks Europe. The concert was held for 3 consecutive days. The best of Cockney music from Goa was showcased at the concert. The Amersfoort Jazz Festival was a 3-day festival held at Amersfoort in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The concert was held from 13th to 15th May. Heritage Jazz held a concert titled Cockney Rocks Europe at Amsterdam with the sole aim of promoting Cockney music and showcase the best of Goan music.
It has been an amazing experience being here in Netherlands, and that we have brought Cockney to the world, and I'm absolutely delighted at the end result. People from all over the world have come here and been with us. Musicians have done a great job. Our whole team, including architects, engineers, artists, you name it. I think we have really bonded as a big team, along with Rene Barreto and the works of media. So eventually it's about Goa, it's about Konkani, it's about working together. And without doubt, Konkani rocks.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Porvorim police have arrested 3 robbers in Belgaum. They were involved in series of chain snatching in Goa. Cops succeeded after they laid a trap to nab these robbers. Presently, the robbers are in the police custody. Porvorim PI Devendra Gad informed us how the robbers were trapped in Belgaum. Initially, the police laid a trap in Mapsa. They arrested one from the gang. The nabbed robber revealed the names of others involved in the chain snatching cases. He informed them that the robbers were staying in Belgaum. The police then, with the assistance of their informers, arrested the robbers. The robbers then confessed their involvement in the chain snatching at various places in Goa.
आम्ही ट्रॅप दवरली आनी ते ट्रॅपीन एक मनीस आमकां म्हापसा अरेस्ट जालो. म्हापसा अरेस्ट नंतर त्यांनी काही मनशां नांवां सांगली. सो तेंचो आमी शोध घेवपाक कोमेस केलो. जेन्ना आमकां कोण चुकलें की ते गोवा सोडून खंय तरी बेळगांव सायडीन गेल्या म्हणून.
The 3 robbers arrested are Kamlesh Kamli of Mapsa, Samir Velji of Porvorim and Altaf of Hubli. Presently, these robbers are under police custody. Meanwhile, Bharat Vikas Parishad gave a memorandum to the Picholi police and asked the police to investigate and book the culprits involved in theft cases. They feel that the robberies are on rise in Picholi.
आम्ही हे निवेदन दिवपाक आयिल्ले की तुम्ही सिरियसली ह्या गोष्टीबद्दल विचार करात आणि जे चोर असतात त्यांना चोराक रोखडे पकडून त्यांना शासन करात.
Our reporters Shyam Sundar Fatte and Uday Parab. News from sports on the other side of the break. Stay tuned.